Hi there! I want to give you an overview of the Analytic Model. Analytic models are the analytical foundation for making data ready for consumption in SAP Analytics Cloud. They allow you to create and define multidimensional models to provide data for analytical purposes to answer different business questions. To create an analytic model, I go to the Data Builder and I choose New Analytic Model to open the editor. I choose my source. I select the properties I want to copy from the source. I can still take over properties into my analytic model later. I enter a descriptive name. I can add more measures and variables. I can add a global filter to be applied to the whole analytic model. I can add dimensions of a dimension. I can change the alias of the dimension. The alias is the name that is shown in the story in SAP Analytics Cloud. I can choose Preview to check if the data looks like expected. I can navigate through the various dimensions and view the aggregated data. This means I can see how the data will look like in an SAP Analytics Cloud story. That's it so far. Thanks for watching.